children. Today we are going to learn Unit 2. Where are you, sweetie? Look at the picture and answer the questions given below. What do you see in the picture, children? What do you see in the picture? Why is the kitten running? Kitten means cat. Why this cat is running? Why are the boy and girl running after the kitten? Why the boy and girl running after the kitten? So discuss about this. Unit 2. Where are you, sweetie? Sweetie is a small kitten. Who is she? She is a small kitten. Sweetie is small kitten. She is Abhi's pet. Abhi and his sister Meena play with Sweetie every day. Every day, Meena, Abhi play with Sweetie. One day, they were playing hide and seek in the garden. Sweetie was also playing there. One day, they are playing hide and seek. Sweetie also playing with them. Suddenly, Sweetie heard bow, bow, bow. Sweetie started running around the house. Are you know this sound? Which animal? Yes, the dog barking. Bow, bow. Sweetie suddenly running around the house. Who is Sweetie? Sweetie is cat. Abhi and Meena ran after Sweetie. They could not find her. When she heard bow bow sound, the cat running fast. Abhi and Meena also running fast. Suddenly, they could not find the Sweetie. Sweetie, not there. Then they are searching for Sweetie. For searching Sweetie, Abhi went to his grandfather. Abhi went to his grandfather. He asked him, Grandpa, did you see Sweetie? Grandfather said, No, there is no Sweetie, grandfather said. Then Meena went to her mother. She asked her, Amma, did you see Sweetie? Her mother said, No, no. Sweetie, grandfather don't know where is the Sweetie. Meena Amma also don't know where is the Sweetie. What is Abhi asking his grandfather? Asking about Sweetie. What is what is his grandfather saying? No, no. What is Meena asking her mother? Meena asking for Sweetie. Where is the Sweetie? Then what her mother say? What is her mother saying? Mother also saying, No, no, I don't know. Where is the Sweetie? So Abhi and Meena searching for Sweetie. Who is Sweetie? Sweetie is a small kitten. Where did Sweetie go? They don't know where the Sweetie went. What will Abhi and Meena do now? They are searching for Sweetie. Meena and Abhi looking for Sweetie. Meena is looking on the cupboard. Abhi is looking for Sweetie under the cot. Under the cot. Where are you, Sweetie? Where are you, Sweetie? They are searching for Sweetie. Abhi and Meena are looking for the kitten Sweetie. Both are looking for Sweetie. First, Meena is looking on the cupboard. Meena is looking on the cupboard for Sweetie. Abhi is looking under the cot. Abhi is looking under the cot. They don't find on the cupboard under the cot. Then they go outside. Now they are looking for Sweetie in the garden. Now they are searching in the garden. Suddenly, T-H-E-Y, they hear M-E-O-W, M-E-O-W, meow, meow. Suddenly they hear the sound of Sweetie, meow, meow. Meena says, Abhi, look, Sweetie is in the tree. Finally, Meena finds the Sweetie in the tree. Abhi and Meena run to their father Mohan. They run to their father. Abhi requests his father, Daddy, please bring her down. Please bring her down. Mohan climbs the tree. Who is Mohan? Mohan is father of Abhi. He brings Sweetie down. He brings Sweetie down. She runs to Abhi with joy. Abhi and Meena say, Thank you, Daddy. So, finally, his daddy brings her down. They are all happy and playing with Sweetie. This is the story. Do the following. T-I-C-K, tick. The correct answer in each of the following. Take the correct answer in each of following. First question. What is the name of the boy in the story? What is the name of the boy in the story? Mohan, Shekhar, Abhi. 3 answers are given. What is the name of the boy in the story? Children say, yes, Abhi. Abhi is the correct answer. So, trick the Abhi. Second question. Who is Abhi's sister? In our story, Abhi's sister's name. Who is Abhi's sister? Meena, R-A-N-I, Rani, L-A-T-H-A, Lata. Meena, Rani, Lata. So, tell me, what is the answer? Who is Abhi's sister? Yes, Abhi's sister name is Meena. So, all of you trick Meena. Where was the kitten? Where was the kitten? In the story, they are searching for kitten. Where they find? In the tree, in the chair, under the table. Where was the kitten? In the tree, in the chair, under the table. In these 3 answers, what is the correct answer? Yes, they are finally found in the tree. So, all of you trick the in the tree. Next B question. Tick the boxes where Abhi and Meena looked for Sweetie. Tick the boxes where Abhi and Meena looked for Sweetie. Cart. They are searching under the cart. So, cart also correct answer. They are searched bag or not. They don't search in the bag. So, this is the wrong. They are searched on table or not. No, they don't search on the table. So, this is also wrong. Chair. No, chair also wrong. Cupboard. Yes, they are searched on the cupboard. So we will write trick the tree. Yes, finally they find the Sweetie is in the tree. So tree also correct answer. See, what is the name of Abhi's pet? What is the name of Abhi's pet? What is the name of Abhi's pet? Yes, pet name is Sweetie. Sweety. Sweetie. Do you have a pet? What is its name? Do you have a pet? What is its name? If you don't have a pet, you write no. If you have a pet, you write yes. What is its name? Write your pet name as write anything. If you have Milky, Puppy. Abhi's pet is a kitten. What is your pet? Abhi's pet is a kitten. Kitten means cat. If your pet is dog, then you write small dog calls puppy. Abhi, look, Sweetie is in the tree. Abhi, look, Sweetie is in the tree. Who said this? Who said these words? Yes, Milky said these words. Meena says these words. So Meena, Meena. Why do you think Sweetie did not jump down from the tree? Because Sweetie had bow wow sound. Bow wow sound. Because of sound, the Sweetie did not jump down from the tree.